Hey, good evening everyone once again. So it's another pain in the ass job, which is the power steering bushing replacement on the ML164 GL, whatever that series anyway. So this one is not a problem because this can come out quite easily, but the big deal is this one here. So practically you should have to take out completely the diff to get that bolt out, but there is a system that actually is not so bad. So I'm going to show you what is going to be now. So I just lose this bolt here from the front. I took the nut, I moved the bolt a little bit out, as you can see, and I'm going to cut this part of the bolt, slide it from the other side, and then put it back, new one, but I will put nut on this side here instead of the bolt. And then lifting up the steering rack, there is a good chance that this will be done without taking the diff. That will be like maybe 1 hour job instead of like couple of days. So that's the tip. Now practically you put the bolt from the front, and here we go, and you put the nut on this side, and all done. So here we go. Fuck the Mercedes now. Instead of 2 days work, 1 hour.